PROTH High Precision Micro Grooving Machine PV7000. Specially designed for light guiding play modes for LCD, the PROTH Micro Grooving Machine PV7000 is designed to provide a high accurate V-grooves. Sizes are available from 3 inches to 7 inches. Light guiding play modes is an essential component for LCD LED manufacturers. In order to produce a high-precision light guiding play mode, it requires high-precision V-shaped grooves for specific straight-line grooves with the help of high-precision diamond tools. PROTH PV7000 is manufactured in-house with specific configurations of 4-axis air spring insulator and FNUC control system. X-axis. The table movement is functioned as planing and grinding movement. Aerostatic bearing guide weight and linear motor driven system are installed to provide stable and efficient performance. Parallel linear motors are designed to diminish the magnetic force, and the finite element method, FEM, is used to analyze and guarantee the high rigidity of the slideway. Working surface is equipped with a 200 by 150 mm vacuum chalk for workpieces up to 7 inches. Y-axis and Z-axis. High-precision roller linear guideways are installed for high rigidity and heavy loading capacity. Ball screws with Holder cooling system are equipped to present perfect pitching and repeatability. Head and hand absolute linear scales are exercised for the full closed loop of these above 3 axes. A-axis and diamond cutter. Diamond cutters are specially designed for groove cutting. An R-shaped and a V-shaped diamond cutters are contributed to high precision and high accuracy of PV7000. The R-shaped diamond cutter is used for servicing, while the V-shaped diamond cutter is for precise straight grooving. Air spring insulator. Air spring insulator with level control is placed for effective vibration insulation. The air spring insulator not only offers passive shock resistance, but also isolates 2.5 Hz above. FNUC control system. The user-friendly FNUC 18i MV CNC control system is equipped with an extremely wide range application. It's easy to operate with individual process speed setting, positioning, and coding. Assembly process. The PROTH PV7000 is assembled in the thermostatic chamber in-house to guarantee the exact and high accuracy. The PROTH High Precision Micro Grooving Machine PV7000 is an excellent machine of the high accuracy for V-grooves in LCD, LED, and micro grooving industries.